Hi, what's going on, guys? Chris Rudnick here, and I hope you guys liked that just in the beginning of the video. And a lot of you in the comments have been like asking if I sold my turboed Miata, like what happened to the turboed Miata, and nothing happened to it. It's just right here. I just haven't been doing anything to it lately. I'm waiting on getting wheels and stuff. Right now, it just looks literally like a heap of dog shit, and I just don't show it because it hurts the way it looks. And yes, I know I did it because I took the wheels off and put it on that one, because that one's the daily. I'm not gonna be drifting that one or anything. Not gonna, like, literally it's just a daily. I'm gonna be probably like doing like little mods to it, but nothing for drifting. But yeah, I'm probably gonna be keeping these wheels and just keeping them as like drift spares, like for the back. And I just been really looking for really wide wheels for the front of this. I need to get some brackets for the seats because I got a new seat and I need to get the brackets. I need a new steering hub and I need a new steering wheel because I put the grip royal on that one. But yeah, this thing, I'm gonna be starting working on it in the next like maybe 2 weeks. I just gotta order all the parts. I've been really picky on what wheels I want and stuff because I still want this thing. I want it to be a drift car, but I want it to look really clean. So I'm gonna be buying new fenders. I'm gonna be buying a hood. It's just, I've been searching Craigslist and I haven't been seeing much for wheels or anything. Top is not staying on, and this is not how I want the car to look. So that's why I haven't been showing it, just because I really haven't been working on it. I've been just trying to keep this thing on the road because it seems like every freaking day there's a new problem. But this video, if you guys got any questions for me at all, I've done one Q&A before and I'm gonna do another one in this video. So if you guys have any questions at all about anything, throw it down in the comments. Probably in the next 3 videos, I'm gonna put out a video of me answering all your guys' questions. I'm just gonna give it a couple days, so if someone doesn't watch it like right away, then they still have a chance to get their question answered. So yeah, like I said, throw any questions you guys got down below, and that's gonna be it for this video. Just an informative video, and I wanted to show you some Bernies from that BMW. So if you guys like this video, give the thumbs up, and if you guys want to subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.